your driving test on the first attempt, consider these tips. 1. Prepare thoroughly. Take enough time to study and practice all aspects of driving, including rules, signs, and techniques. 2. Practice with an experienced driver. Regularly practice with a licensed driver who has ample experience in driving to gain confidence and skills. 3. Take professional lessons. Consider taking driving lessons from a certified instructor to receive proper guidance and feedback. 4. Know the test route. Familiarize yourself with the typical test route in your area to feel more at ease during the actual test. 5. Understand test requirements. Learn about the specific requirements and criteria the examiner will evaluate during the test. 6. Stay calm and focused.